In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create product labels in Canva. By the end of this tutorial, you'll know how to design a clean, professional-looking label that you can use for anything from homemade candles to skincare products or food items. First, open Canva in your browser and log in to your account. On the home page, go to the search bar at the top and type in Product Label. Canva will show you a range of ready-made label templates in different sizes and styles. This is a really helpful starting point because the dimensions are already set up for you. Choose a template that's closest to the look and shape you want for your product, and click on it to open the editor. Once the template opens, you'll see it on the canvas in the middle, with tools down the left-hand side. Before you change anything, take a quick look at the layout, where the main title is, where the small text is, and any icons or images that are already there. This will help you decide what you want to keep and what you want to replace. Now, click on the main text, usually where the product name goes, and type in your own product name. Use short, clear wording so it's easy to read at a glance. If you want to adjust the style, use the toolbar at the top to change the font, size, color, and spacing. Aim for high contrast between the text and the background so the label is readable even when it's printed small. Next, edit the smaller text areas. These might include a short description, ingredients, usage instructions, or a tagline. Replace the placeholder text with your own details, keeping it concise. Avoid cramming too much information into a tiny space. If it feels crowded, remove anything that isn't essential. If your product needs branding, go to the Uploads tab to bring in your logo or brand icons. Drag your logo onto the label and resize it so it's visible but not overpowering. Place it near the product name or at the top or bottom of the label for a clean, branded look. You can also customize colors to match your brand. Select the background or any element, then use the color picker to apply your brand colors. Keeping to 2 or 3 main colors usually gives the best, most professional result. When you're happy with the design, double-check spelling, spacing, and alignment. Then click the download button in the top right corner and choose a high-quality PDF or PNG, depending on how you plan to print. Save your file and your Canva product label is ready to use.